My name is Mrs. Spady,
And my name's Trey.
and Trey's going to help me with this week's Math Minute. Okay, to start off, Trey, do you know what any of these shapes are called?
Some.
Okay, tell me one that you know.
Decagon.
Decagon?
Yeah.
That is not one of them. Try again.
Triangle.
Triangle has how many sides?
3.
Okay, so I'm going to type in triangle here. Do you know any of these other polygons?
Square.
A square? Okay, that's one type of four-sided figure. Let's go ahead and write that in. All four-sided figures are called quadrilaterals. Okay, do you know any other ones?
Hexagon.
Hexagon has 6 sides, so let's fill that in there. What's an 8-sided figure called? It's a stop sign.
Octagon.
Yeah, octagon. Okay. Well, we're going to leave it at that. We're going to let the other students fill in the names of the other polygons here. Now we're going to switch gears and we're going to use hopscotch on the iPad. So to get started, open up hopscotch and then select me at the bottom and then create and then blank project. We're going to add a new character, but we're going to use text. So select text and then type in a period and then hit done. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to have that period draw a triangle. So add a new rule, and when the play button is tapped, we're going to go to drawing. So go to drawing and then drag over leave a trail. You can pick any color that you want, and you can leave the width at 10. Now drag that move forward block out of the command and go to delete. Okay. Now press the check mark at the bottom, and we want the period to draw a triangle. So what we're going to do is go down to control flow, the blue section, and select repeat, but drag that inside of the leave a trail block. So we're going to move that inside, and we want to repeat 3 times because a triangle has 3 sides. And now tap the check mark, and then under movement, which is the orange section, we're going to put a move forward block inside of the blue repeat. Let's do move forward 100. And then we also need to have the period turn. And so tap the check mark and then put the turn underneath the move forward. And again, make sure it's inside of the repeat. Type in the number 120. And now hit play. Notice that the period draws not a triangle. Let's go back to edit. How many sides does a triangle have? 3. And we want it to move forward 100 and then turn 120 degrees. Let's try that again. Hit play. That is not 120 degrees. Go back to edit. Let's just check our turn button and type in 120 one more time and hit play. There's our triangle. We just had a little glitch there. So what we're going to do is go into the degrees table right here and type in 120. Are you ready to make a square now?
Yeah.
Okay, so go to edit. And how many sides does a square have?
4.
Okay, so repeat times, we'll change that number to 4. And a square has 4 angles. And an angle that's shaped like an L is a 90-degree angle. So change that turn degrees to 90. And then tap play when you're done. So our period has drawn a nice, neat square. So come over here to the table and we're going to type in 90 for the degrees. Now, Trey, I want to ask you a question. It took 120 degrees to do the triangle and then 90 to do the square. What prediction do you have for the hexagon?
I think it will be around like 56.
How many sides does the hexagon have? All right, so now 6 times is how many times we'll repeat. Now go to the turn and change that 90 to a 50. Let's see if we get a hexagon. Tap play. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we ran into the edge. So let's go to edit. And let's X out of this program and drag the period down to the bottom of the screen. Now hit play again. See if we can get that hexagon to show up. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we're still running into the top. So go to edit and close out, or drag the period down just a little bit further. There you go. Let's hit play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, we're still running in. One way you can change that, let's go back to the program and let's change that 300 move forward to 200. And then tap play. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it's not a hexagon because it's not closed. Let's pick a different number than 50. Let's try a different number. Oh, we want to have that still inside of the repeat block. Let's choose a different number besides 50.
How about
70? Okay, so let's change it to 70 and hit play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nope, still not a hexagon. So you want to pick another number? Ooh, 100. All right, let's hit play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's not a polygon either because it's not closed.
it looks like a sun?
It kind of looks like a sun. All right, well, we're going to leave it at that. Your job for this week's Math Minute is to fill in the names of the other polygons here. You can go past 12 sides if you like. And then your other job is to fill in the degrees for all of these polygons in Hopscotch. You can either send a screenshot of your completed chart or a picture of the different polygons that you make in Hopscotch. Enjoy this week's Math Minute.